Okay, let's add the two fractions 3/4 and 1/6. First we have to find that least common denominator. I'll do that to begin with. So I'll take 4 and factor it into 2 times 2. 6 is equal to 2 times 3. Then I build the least common denominator from that. I need factors of 2 times 2 so that 4 will divide the least common denominator. I need a factor of 2. So 6 will divide it. I have a factor of 2. I need a factor of 3. I don't have it, so I'll put that in. So 12 is the least common denominator for the fractions 3/4 and 1/6. So the next thing I'm going to do then is take my fractions. Here's 3/4, and write it as an equivalent fraction with the denominator of 12. So I need to multiply the numerator and denominator of 3/4 by 3. In order for it to become an equivalent fraction with the denominator of 12. And then plus, here I have my 1/6, and I need to multiply the numerator and denominator of that by 2 in order for it to have a least common denominator of 12. So this is going to be the fraction 3/4, this is the fraction 1/6. It's just that now they're equivalent fractions. So I'll write this as what, 9/12? Plus, over here, this will be 2/12. And now when I add 9/12 and 2/12, what do I get? 11/12. So remember, we can only add fractions if they have the same denominator. So what we have to do is, if they don't have the same denominator, rewrite them as equivalent fractions, that is, fractions that have the same value as the fractions we started with, but that now have a common denominator. And in this case, we found the least common denominator. That's what we used here to add the fractions. So 9/12, exactly the same value as 3/4. 2/12, same value as 1/6. But now I can add them by simply adding the numerators. 9 plus 2 is 11 over 12. So that's how you add 3/4 and 1/6.